Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Hira Shahid. I am your teacher of mathematics. Now come to your lecture. Today we will do the worksheet of unit number 10. Only unit number 10. First of all, you have to write date and date on the top of your worksheet. Now come to this question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The sum of all the angles at a point is. What is the sum of angles at a point? Sum of angles at a point is 360 degree. Yes, sum of angles at a point is 360 degree. Now come to this, the sum of adjacent angles on a straight line. Look at this. If this is a straight line and there are two angles A and B, so they share the common vertex and lie on the opposite side of common side. So both of these are adjacent angles. Sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Now come to this three part in the figure. Show two parallel lines A, B and CD with a transversal PQ. Use this figure and complete the following. Now look at this figure. There are two lines A, B and C and D with a transversal PQ. Now you have to answer these part with the help of this diagram. Now look at this number A part. X and Y are vertically opposite angles and are in dash and are dash in size, and are dash in size. Now look at this angle X and Y. Angle X and Y are vertically opposite angle, so vertically opposite angles are equal in size. Vertically opposite angle are equal in size. Now come to B part. X and Q are dash angles and are equal in size. Now look at this X and Q. Look at this X and Q. X and Q are the corresponding angles. X and Q are the CORRESPONDING, corresponding angles. Now come to this. E and B are dash angles. Look at this. E and B. Look at this. E and B. These are the alternate angles. So E and B are the alternate angles. ALTERNATE. E and B are the alternate angles. Now come to part D. E and Y are interior angles. Okay, the sum of interior angles is equal to 180 degree. The sum of interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Now come to fifth part. The basic geometric figure is point. The basic geometric figure is point and the sum of angles at a point is 360 degree and the basic geometrical figure is point. Now come to this. A dash is the path described by a moving point. Yes, a circle is a path described by a moving point. Now come to sixth part. Which two rays meet when two rays meet at a point, a dash is formed. When two rays meet at a point, it is called angle. It is called angle. Look at this. These two rays having a common vertex. When two rays meet at a point, a dash is formed and angle is formed. Now come to seventh part. The sum of complementary angle is. Yes, the sum of complementary angle is 90 degree and the sum of supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree. We have already discussed about it in our previous lecture. Now come to question number 2. Do as directed. Define the following terms. नंबर ए पे आप लोग देखो, आप सबकी वर्कशीट पे लिखा हुआ है कर्व्ड सरफेस. आपने इसको कट कर देना है। आपने इसकी जगह लिखना है सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। आप लोग किसी पॉइंटर से या फिर आप लोग मार्कर से यहाँ पे लिख दो सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। मीन हम लोगों ने कर्व्ड सरफेस की नहीं करनी, इसकी जगह हम लोग किसकी डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे, सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। ओके, नाउ कम टू द डेफिनेशन ऑफ दी सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। व्हेन द सम ऑफ टू एंगल इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, it is called supplementary angle. When sum of two angle is equal to 180 degree, when sum of when sum of two angle is 180 degree, it is called supplementary angles. Now come to B part, complementary angles. When sum of two angle is equal to 90 degree, these are called supplementary angles. Okay, now come to the example of supplementary angles, 40 degree and 50 degree. When we will do the addition of these two angle, it is equal to 90 degree. So the complementary angles are the angles whose sum is equal to 90 degree. When the sum of two angle is equal to 90 degree, these angles are called complementary angles. And when the sum of two angle is equal to 180 degree, these angles are called supplementary angles. Okay, now come to the वर्कशीट बी। ए हम लोगों ने कर ली है, नाउ कम टू बी। आप लोगों ने क्या करना है, इस वर्कशीट को आप लोगों ने कट कर देना है, ठीक है। हम लोगों ने ये वर्कशीट नहीं करनी है, आप लोगों ने सिर्फ ये वाली वर्कशीट करनी है और यहाँ पे कर्व सरफेस की जगह आपने लिख देना है सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल। आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। टेक केयर, गुड बाय।